Today we stand on the very steps where 2 years ago, angry, hateful insurgents defiled our capital, defiled our flag, defiled our Constitution and our very way of governance. 2 years ago, 140 Capitol Police were injured, harmed, some died. Today we witness young children who will never be able to hold their father again because of those angry insurgents. We should never let that happen again. Those people who called themselves patriots, they were not patriots. They were terrorists that attacked our very being and shook the core of our democracy. But yet we stand. We stand today in defiance to say we will never let anybody damage our flag, damage our country, damage our capital, or damage our spirit. 2 years ago, January 6th, we stood in fear of what might happen. Today, we stand in strength, knowing that our capital stands, our democracy stands, and we will continue to fight for all that is good and pure for America.